Welcome to Senior Life Part. I'm Sarah. Most people spend over 2 hours daily just searching for things in their homes. Keys, documents, glasses, medications. This precious time could be spent enjoying life with family or pursuing hobbies. Today, I'm sharing a time-tested solution, Japanese minimalism. It's not just about having fewer things. It's about creating a peaceful sanctuary where everything has its perfect place, where you can find what you need instantly, and where your home energizes you instead of overwhelming you. By the end of this video, you'll have 10 life-changing techniques that will revolutionize your living space forever. Please hit subscribe and the notification bell. What I'm sharing could save you hundreds of hours every year. Imagine opening your front door and feeling instant calm. Every surface is clear, every item has its designated spot, and you can locate anything within seconds. Your home feels spacious, peaceful, and welcoming. This isn't a dream. It's what happens when you apply Japanese minimalism correctly. Strategy 1. Embrace intentional ownership. Japanese minimalism rests on intentional ownership, carefully choosing what deserves space in your home rather than accumulating mindlessly. Every object should serve a clear purpose or bring genuine joy. Start with one room. Examine each item honestly. How many coffee mugs do you actually use? If you drink 1 cup at a time, why keep 20? How many books sit unread for years? How many kitchen gadgets remain unused while taking valuable counter space? The magic happens when you realize fewer, higher quality items create more satisfaction than countless unused objects. A single sharp knife serves better than a drawer full of dull ones. 3 comfortable outfits bring more joy than a packed closet of unworn clothes. Sort items into 3 categories. Use regularly, use occasionally, haven't touched in months. Items never used should leave immediately. Occasionally used items can stay in less convenient locations. Frequently used items deserve the most accessible spots. This creates immediate benefits. Cleaning becomes faster with fewer items to move. Decision-making becomes easier with fewer choices. Your space feels larger and more open. Most importantly, you appreciate what you keep because each item earned its place.
Strategy 2. Create permanent addresses. Chaos stems from homeless belongings. When items don't have designated homes, they wander throughout your house, creating clutter and frustration. The solution? Assign specific locations for every item you own, then maintain discipline to return each item after use. This eliminates daily treasure hunts that consume time and energy. Consider your car keys. How much time do you spend searching weekly? Now imagine if they lived on the same hook by your door every day. That searching time disappears completely. Apply this systematically. Reading glasses always rest in the same nightstand dish. Important documents live in the same desk file. Daily medications stay in the same medicine cabinet spot. Map your home room by room. Determine logical locations based on frequency of use. Daily items in convenient spots. Occasional items in less accessible areas. Success requires consistency. Everyone must follow the same system. Return misplaced items immediately. Initially, this requires conscious effort, but within weeks, it becomes automatic habit.
Strategy 3. Master clear surfaces. Visual peace begins with clear surfaces. Keep tables, countertops, dressers, and floors free from unnecessary objects. This creates instant calm and makes spaces feel larger. Clear surfaces serve multiple purposes. They're ready for immediate use without cleanup. Your dining table accommodates meals or projects instantly. Kitchen counters provide ample workspace for cooking. Every surface item needs a new home in drawers, cabinets, or containers. Invest in attractive storage that serves both function and aesthetics. Establish a nightly 10-minute routine clearing all surfaces before bed. You'll wake each morning to visually organize spaces that energize rather than overwhelm. Strategy 4. Organize by function, not location. Traditional organization fails because it focuses on rooms rather than function. Japanese minimalism groups similar items together regardless of typical usage location. Designate one central area for all cleaning products instead of scattering throughout the house. Create one organized space for all office supplies rather than spreading between rooms. Benefits are transformative. You'll never accidentally purchase items you already own. When you need something, you go directly to the correct location. Inventory management becomes simple. Start with one category, like office supplies. Search your entire home for pens, pencils, paper clips, staplers. Gather everything centrally and assess what you found. Keep only functional items, then designate specific storage for this category. Strategy 5. Apply the 3-second decision rule. Procrastination creates clutter faster than almost anything. The 3-second rule: whenever you finish using something, you have exactly 3 seconds to decide whether to put it away properly or leave it misplaced. This breaks the mental habit of, "I'll deal with this later." Later rarely comes, or when it does, so many items have accumulated that organizing becomes overwhelming. Finish reading a magazine? 3 seconds to place it in the rack. Try on a shirt you don't wear? 3 seconds to hang it back. Open mail, 3 seconds to file important parts and discard envelopes. This creates automatic reflexes, preventing clutter formation. Initially, you'll need conscious reminders, but it becomes natural habit. The technique proves especially powerful in kitchens. Each utensil takes 3 seconds to return to its drawer. Each spice takes 3 seconds to return to its shelf. Your kitchen remains organized throughout cooking. Strategy 6. Design activity-specific zones. Create dedicated zones for specific functions, rather than doing activities randomly throughout your home. This brings mental clarity and physical organization. Establish a reading zone with comfortable chair, proper lighting, small table for beverages, and basket for current books. Everything needed for enjoyable reading exists in one designed area. Create a bill-paying zone with desk, calculator, checkbook, stamps, envelopes, and filing system within arm's reach. Design kitchen zones, preparation area near sink with cutting boards and knives, cooking zone near stove with spices and utensils. Each zone becomes naturally organized because it serves a focused purpose. Observe daily activities and identify optimization opportunities. A crafting zone with supplies in clear containers. A fitness zone with yoga mat and weights always ready. Strategy 7. Practice gratitude for belongings. Developing appreciation for possessions transforms your relationship with material things and naturally leads to better organization. When you feel gratitude for something, you automatically take better care of it. Practice weekly gratitude inventories. Pick up individual items. Feel their texture. Remember how they entered your life. If an object evokes positive feelings, it deserves continued care and proper placement. Objects generating no positive feelings might be ready for new homes where they'll be appreciated. Thank items when donating or discarding them. Acknowledge their service before they help others. Gratitude extends to your entire home. When you see your living space as a gift deserving care, you naturally maintain it better. Strategy 8. Maintain balance with one in, one out. Long-term success requires preventing accumulation that creates clutter.
The one in, one out rule. For every new item entering your home, a similar item should leave. Buy a new shirt? Donate one you no longer wear. Receive a book gift? Pass along one you've read. This prevents your organized home from gradually returning to chaos. Before purchasing, ask what you'll remove to accommodate the new item. If you can't identify anything to remove, consider whether you actually need the purchase. Maintain a donation box in a convenient location. When you identify something ready to leave, place it immediately. When the container fills, take it to charity.
Strategy 9. Transform organization into enjoyable rituals. Organization becomes sustainable when it feels pleasurable rather than burdensome. Create organizing rituals you genuinely anticipate, moments feeling like self-care rather than chores. Design rituals around activities you enjoy. Love music? Create morning organizing while enjoying favorite songs. Appreciate contemplation? Develop evening rituals preparing your home while sipping tea. Create atmosphere around organizing activities. Light scented candles while organizing closets. Play uplifting music while clearing counters. Use these moments for mindful presence, organization as active meditation. Brief but consistent rituals work best. 5-minute morning ritual, making beds and clearing surfaces. 10-minute evening ritual, returning items to homes. 20-minute weekend ritual of deeper organizing. Strategy 10. Keep essentials visible and accessible. Create visual harmony by keeping daily essentials visible and accessible while discreetly storing everything else. This makes homes both beautiful and functional. In each room, identify items used every single day. These can remain visible with designated spots contributing to aesthetics. Everything else finds homes in closed storage. In kitchens, keep beautiful cutting boards, elegant salt and pepper shakers, attractive fruit bowls on counters, while storing appliances and specialty tools in cabinets. Bedrooms, display only items contributing to restful atmosphere, while storing personal items in dressers. Practice rotation rather than permanent display for decorative objects. Choose meaningful pieces while storing others in labeled boxes. Change displays seasonally for visual freshness without purchases. Your journey starts now. We've explored 10 powerful strategies revolutionizing your relationship with living space. Japanese minimalism offers more than organization techniques. It provides philosophy for creating harmony between physical environment and inner peace. Key principles. Intentional ownership brings satisfaction through quality over quantity. Designated addresses eliminate searching time. Clear surfaces create visual calm. Category organization provides inventory control. 3-second rule prevents clutter. Activity zones optimize efficiency. Gratitude transforms caretaking attitudes. One in, one out maintains balance. Organizing rituals make maintenance enjoyable. Visible essentials create beauty with function. Information without action remains just information. Transformation happens through consistent implementation, one strategy at a time with patience and commitment. Your organized home represents more than visual appeal. It becomes reflection of inner tranquility, an environment that energizes rather than drains, a sanctuary where you want to spend time. Choose one strategy resonating most strongly and commit to implementing it this week. Start with designated addresses for misplaced items, the 3-second rule, or designing one activity zone. Share which technique impacted you most in the comments. Your experience might inspire others beginning their organization journeys. If you found value, please give a thumbs up and share with others who might benefit. Subscribe to Senior Life Partner and hit the notification bell for weekly tips on organized, peaceful living. Your journey toward lasting organization begins with a single step. Take that step today and watch one small change create positive transformation throughout your living space.
Welcome to your new organized life.